In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code or codes for Party City. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we need to open up a web browser and go to google.com. Now inside the google.com search bar, type in coupons for Party City and hit enter. And now we've got some third-party sites offering different promo codes. We've got RealTimeWeNot 15% off, 25% off a coupon follow, Groupon.com 20% off. So the one I like to use is either one of these. I'm going to click on coupon follow. And now from here, we got $20 off your purchase at Party City. We got 20% off all orders. So to activate any one of these codes, just simply click onto it. So if I want to activate 20% off, here it is here. So copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Party City to enjoy 20% off your order. One thing to note about these coupon sites, they do expire. So if one code expires, just move on to the next one. And codes do change daily, weekly, monthly. So these codes might be different down the track. And another cool thing about Coupon Follow, they'll be able to show you expired codes. So if we go down, it will say previously featured offers and deals to get a sense of what type of promo codes Party City may use in the future.